Barbecue fam, today we're smoking up a pork butt to make some carnitas. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So we're going to be running the slow and sear kettle grill at about 275. On this pork butt I am using yellow mustard as a slather to adhere all that rub while it sweats in. And then this grill we're setting up indirect with that slow and sear basket inside the slow and sear kettle grill. We're using Kingsford charcoal with some chunks of cherry wood. Cherry wood gives some great smoke and some great color to any pork and even beef as well. So check this out. Not using any spritz during this cook at all, and we're going to the stall. Once we hit the stall, we're cooking at 275 the whole time. We're going to wrap it in aluminum foil, and we're going to bump that temp up to about 325, 350 to finish this cook off at about 200 degrees. Pull it, unwrap it, and just let it cool down. So we're going to hit it up with some of that Uncle Steve's Sweet and SpicyR and the smoke bomb. Hit it up on all sides. Let that sweat in while your grill comes up to temp. So the pork butt's at the stall. We're pulling it, we're wrapping it, we're refueling this kettle grill, and we're putting it back on, and we're boosting the temp up on the grill at about 350, still indirect, and we're gonna get that up to about 200 degrees. Once you get about that 195, 200, you hit there, you wanna pull it, put it in a pan, unwrap it to allow that to cool down and stop cooking. If it cooks too much, you might get mush. We don't want that. We want some stringy, awesome pulled pork, and with some crispy bits still on it from that exterior that we developed this first 8 hours. So this is looking great. So once you put the pork butt in the pan, how you wrap with aluminum foil, you should be able to pull off one side and pour some of that rendered fat into a pot. We're going to save that and dunk our corn tortillas into and fry those up on this kettle. We're going to put a griddle in there, fry them up, and that's going to make the best carnitas. Oh hell yeah. Let's build some carnitas. Oh hell yeah. Nice smoked pork butt, crispy, juicy, rock and roll. These carnitas are ready. Look at that. Simple, easy, I bet amazing. Let's give a taste test. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, that rocks. Sometimes the best things are easy. Man, that is easy and amazing. Time consuming to get that pulled pork, but so worth it. But waiting, that's all you're doing, really. When you're doing a pork butt, it doesn't take that much effort. Just time. That's it. So if you got other things to do, just check the temp or check your handy app on your phone for the Inkbird 5G meat thermometer. It'll tell you if it's wrong. And boy, this was dialed in and is amazing. Well, yeah. Cheers, folks. Mmm.